All right, now we're at the stage where we have to go ahead and remove all the springs. Normally, these kits, they do come with a spring remover, and it's just a little triangle with a hook underneath it, and you could put pressure on the trampoline so that way you could release the pressure on the spring and take it out. I do not have one of those, so I had to get creative. So I already took out one spring, which looks like this, has two ends on it. They're pretty much the same, and all you have to do now is go in, pull pressure backwards, and now the spring comes off. Backyard. Till next time, guys, stay handy. I'll see you guys later.